Have you ever written an email late at night, but didn't want to send it immediately? Or maybe you wanted your email to arrive at the perfect time, like early in the morning, during office hours, or even on a future date. Well, Gmail has a built-in feature that allows you to schedule emails easily. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Welcome back to Zimist Coded, where we make technology simple and practical. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile phone. For this demonstration, I'll be using the computer version. Once Gmail opens, click on the Compose button to create a new email. Now enter the recipient's email address, add your subject, and then type your message normally, just like you usually do. Once your email is ready, do not click the normal Send button yet. Instead, look carefully beside the Send button. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow. A menu will appear. Now select Schedule Send. Immediately, Gmail will display some suggested times, like tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or Monday morning. If one of those suggested times works for you, simply click on it, and your email will be scheduled instantly. But maybe you want a specific date and time instead. No problem. Click on Pick Date and Time. Now choose the exact date you want the email to be sent. Then select the exact time as well. After selecting your preferred date and time, click Schedule Send. And that's it. Your email has now been scheduled successfully. Gmail will automatically send the email for you at the exact date and time you selected. Very simple and very useful. Now let me show you how to view, edit, or cancel scheduled emails. On the left side of Gmail, look for the option called Scheduled. Click on it. Here, you'll see all the emails you've scheduled. If you want to make changes to any of them, open the scheduled email and then click Cancel Send. Don't worry, the email will not be deleted. Instead, Gmail will move it back to your Drafts folder so you can edit it again. After making your changes, you can simply schedule the email once more. Now, why is scheduling emails so useful? Well, it helps you send business emails at the right time. You can schedule birthday wishes, announcements, or reminders ahead of time. It's also very useful when communicating with people in different time zones. And honestly, it helps you stay more organized and professional, especially if you like planning your work ahead of time. And that's how to schedule emails in Gmail easily. If this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.